Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to block someone in line. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to the profile of the person that you wish to block. Let's say I want to block this person right here, so I'm simply gonna click on it. Once you do that, all you guys need to do is click on this chat button right here. That's at the bottom left. Click on it right now. And guys, that is it. Once you are in this interface, simply focus on the top section. At the top right section, you can see these three lines. Click on it right now. Once you do that, this page will open up. Well, there are lots of options ranging from simply settings to mute. But right now, all you guys need to do is focus on this button called as block. It's on the rightmost section. Click on it. And guys, that is it. Once you click on it, the person has been blocked in line. That is it, guys. It's quite easy to block someone in line. As you guys can see, I have simply showed you the process. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.